Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
It's not a question of excitement. It's a question of great feeling of responsibility. We have to do this right. We need to make sure that all the issues are addressed. We must make sure that this image that the NPP has in the minds of the people should be immediately erased. We have to start pulling our socks up, and I'm so looking forward to be party to this rejuvenation of the NPP and coalition partners, NPA2. The teams have been working together for the last 5 years. I do not anticipate that there would be confusion because we are in line and together we have worked for the last 5 years. I don't anticipate any complex situation.
So, what are the changes that you intended to bring under the MDA2?
See, in my personal opinion, though I'm not aware yet of the assignments to be given to me because I'm not aware of the departments that will be handed over to me, but I can assure you one thing: we need to make sure that issues that have been flagged for so long by the people of the state of Meghalaya should be addressed one after the other. We need to ensure that post-election 2023, stability is once again, brought about because we've seen, especially in the Khasi Hills, the fragmentation of mandate is something which is worrisome. I think now across the board, all political parties should unanimously decide to take this trade forward. We cannot afford to slow down development and progress and in the interest of the people of the state of Meghalaya, we must all work towards a common goal. Yes, we will have opinion differences, but these opinions should not be at the cost of the progress of the state of Meghalaya.
Ma'am, today for the first time, the Prime Minister has attended the swearing-in ceremony of the Meghalaya government. What do you have to say?
See, Meghalaya is not sans India. We are part of this nation, and I'm so delighted and honored to have been on the same stage with the Prime Minister of this nation because we have to march together forward with the entire country. You cannot expect any criticism on this humility displayed by the Honorable Prime Minister of this nation. He is already aware of the complex mandate of the people of the state of Meghalaya, but yet he made time and he made himself available, which means that his interests for the state of Meghalaya are genuine. That is important, and people should not deviate from that fact.